There are moments that stay with us forever. Moments when the world seems to pause, and it's just the two of you. Perched atop a cliff where the sky meets the sea, lies a place crafted for love. Private Jet Villa is not just a getaway. It's a space where every second becomes part of your story. Immerse yourself in an atmosphere of luxury and serenity. A pool with an endless horizon, a delightful dinner for two, a night under the stars that will stay in your hearts forever. Your romantic weekend begins here, because true luxury is time spent together. Private Jet Villa. Love deserves nothing less.